How to install Docker on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, or you can just launch any browser that you have for that matter. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account and then tap on the search bar over here. Now search for Docker over here, and as you search for it, you'll get different options to see about the Docker application. Now what you can see is you can see the official website at the very top. Now here you can see you can tap on install Docker desktop on. So as you tap on that, you'll be able to download or install the Docker desktop option on your Windows. But unfortunately, this is not possible in your Android. So you cannot download or install this application or this function on Android. Rather, it's possible only on desktop or your Windows. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.